Hello viewers, as per the price point, Xiaomi Pad 8 and Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE stand at the same level. So if you are planning to buy any of these two tablets, in this case this video is going to be helpful for you. I will mainly focus on display, battery, processor, UI and software support, the things that actually matter in daily use. Now let's start with the display. Xiaomi Pad 8 offers a very smooth and vibrant display with a higher refresh rate, that is 120, and you will get 11.2-inch 3.2K display. Display is gorgeous with very good color reproduction. On the other hand, Samsung is known for its color accuracy and eye comfort. So if you prefer a better natural viewing experience, Tab S10 FE might feel better. It will give you 10.9-inch LCD display with 90 Hz of refresh rate. Multimedia consumption is equally good on both these two devices. Now talking about the performance, both tablets are powerful enough for daily tasks like browsing, streaming and even multitasking. Xiaomi Pad 8 actually comes with 8S Gen 4 processor, which is little bit powerful than Samsung's Exynos 1580 processor. So Xiaomi usually provides slightly better performance for gaming, while Samsung focuses more on balanced and stable performance. In terms of battery life, both devices offer good battery backup for a full day of usage. Samsung Tab S10 FE comes with 10,000 plus mAh battery. On the other hand, Xiaomi Pad 8 comes with 9,200 mAh battery, so the battery will be equally good on both these devices. But in real life, you will get more battery life on Samsung Tab S10 FE because the processor is not demanding. Exynos 1580 is not so powerful, so you will get better battery life on Tab S10 FE. Now coming to UI and software, this is where Samsung really shines. Samsung provides a more polished UI with better long-term software support, and features like Samsung Dex is really useful. On the other hand, Xiaomi Pad 8 comes with HyperOS and you will get 3 years of OS update along with HyperOS update. But I think Samsung's update is more polished and bugs free. So if you are planning to buy Xiaomi Pad 8, don't expect about software update. Now here is a quick summary about the good things on Xiaomi Pad 8. You will get better performance for gaming, smooth display and faster charging. But you will not get UI that is not as polished as Samsung Tab S10 FE, plus software support is limited. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE offers better UI and software support, more stable experience and trusted brand ecosystem. But in case of Tab S10 FE, you will get slightly lower performance for heavy gaming and charging may be slower. Now you have to decide whether Xiaomi Pad 8 is actually value for money for you or Tab S10 FE is better for you. The best price for Tab S10 FE is around 29,000 to 30,000 for the 128GB variant. On the other hand, if you are planning to buy Xiaomi Pad 8, in that case the best price for the 128GB would be around 31,000 rupees. Currently the price is high, so wait for a few days when the offers will come. If I had to choose between these two tablets, I would have chosen Xiaomi Pad 8 for better performance. Now let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are planning to buy. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.